Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk with Notion Press. Here I am with Miss,
Utthara, Unni, Nithesh.
author of.
A pregnancy memoir.
So ma'am, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's wonderful. It's a very different experience seeing a lot of authors, a lot of books, a lot of publications here.
Right.
And it's been a great experience, especially seeing my first book,
Right.
one among such great books in the world. So it's a really good
Can you
feeling.
tell us a little bit more about your book?
It started as a pregnancy journal, and it was a very personal diary kind of
Right.
writing. But then later on, I thought I should make it a little more informative.
Right.
And then I started researching more. I'm a Bharatanatyam dancer,
Right.
so I included a little bit of information from dance, yoga, Ayurveda. And then I spoke to my doctors, so there's a little bit of medical information.
Right.
Then I've merged it with a little bit of mythology,
Right.
and so it's everything together. It's a little bit of information and a lot of personal journey.
So, what are some of the challenges you face when writing a book like this?
I think writing itself is a challenge,
Right.
especially for a beginner, because you don't know where you're headed to. You don't know what you're getting into, what you want to write.
Exactly.
So that process of just sitting with a pen and paper, or maybe with your laptop, that itself is very difficult.
Some key takeaways from this book that you'd want to tell our viewers.
There's a lot of information on exercise, on
Right.
diet, on nutrition. Actually, your pre-pregnancy weight, your pre-pregnancy health, everything matters. So it's not just those 9 months that you
Right.
need to take care of. Because the moment you get pregnant, you start taking note of a lot of things. You
Right.
want to suddenly eat healthy, you suddenly
Right.
do a lot of healthy things.
Right.
But the healthy thing starts way beyond before
Right.
that. So it's not just those 9 months. I think you have to plan way ahead,
Right.
and everything starts before your whole journey, your whole lifestyle. Everything matters.
Right.
So I think if you have plans, you should definitely check out the book and.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Congratulations on your book and
Thank you
congratulations
so
on being a mother.
Thank
you so much for visiting the book fair. I hope you have a wonderful time.
Thank
here.
you very
Thank you so much. That was really nice.
Yeah.